Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing the essential updates and trimming distractions. Do this first so everything runs reliably. Once done, set screen time rules. 1 hour focused blocks with a 15-minute break to protect attention. Make sure to disable non-essential notifications and permit only 3 to 5 priority apps so interruptions stop. You also enable automatic updates and basic passcode or biometric lock. This keeps your data safe while you proceed to tailor deeper settings. Now you refine how the phone behaves during the day. Create focus modes for work, sleep, and personal time, and whitelist only the apps you need in each mode. Then audit app permissions, revoke location, microphone, and camera access when they're not required. This reduces leaks and background load. Also optimize battery habits. Aim to keep charge cycles healthy. Target about 80% topping most days and enable low power mode around 30% to stretch life between charges. Finish by automating backups to the cloud and keeping a weekly local copy. This protects against loss. Build small routines. Spend 10 minutes on inbox triage and limit to 5 app checks for better focus. Make sure notifications and home screen reflect these routines so the phone supports your habits instead of derailing them. If things go wrong, try the basic troubleshooting sequence, reboot the device, clear the app cache, and if necessary, reinstall the offending app. That fixes most persistent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.